DigDog DWL15 compact wheel loader adopts European design. With strong power and high cost performance, this DigDog compact wheel loader is 5.37 meters long, 1.81 meters wide, 2.68 meters high, unloading height 2.65 meters, bucket wide 1.81 meters. Overall machine weight 3.84 tons, maximum lifting weight 1.5 tons. Adopts Euro III 36.8千瓦, low fuel consumption, environmentally friendly, low noise and strong power. Herringbone tires, good grip, anti-skid and good sludge cleaning performance. The top of the cab is equipped with a dual-speaker radio, lights, rearview mirror, fan and reversing image on the right side of the cab. The adjustable suspension seat is made of fabric and has better breathability. Equipped with seat belts, fire extinguishers, safety hammers, and all glass doors. It has stronger escape capabilities and meets customers' safety needs. Customized high-strength frame structure. The top of the cab is equipped with construction lighting, and the second bending guard net has a stronger ability to prevent falling objects.